And basically that's just how I want my life to be for all of 2018, like, or not even all for 2018, for the rest of my life. I just want no bad vibes from anybody. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Tamaria Lakay. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here but you would like to stay, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get notified each time that I release my weekly videos. Basically today, you can tell by the title that I'm going to be doing a haul or a what's in my bag video. So if you would like to see some of the fun items that I picked up that are really inexpensive and just really fun and cute to wear, then go ahead and keep on watching. Basically, I picked up some of these items from Rue 21, Forever 21. I got a few things from an Instagram boutique, and I think that was it. So yeah. The first thing that I'm going to show you, these really cute pants. Like, first of all, I just want to say that you can tell that they look like they're really soft and comfortable, and the color is really pretty. Like, they just reminded me of like some old school capri pants. So this is what they look like. And yeah, I got these because they were on sale. They were on clearance for $5. And I was like, I like the color, and I know these are the kind of pants that are gonna make your boobs look bad. So yeah, this is basically what they look like, and I thought these were really cute. This was a top that I got from Rue 21. And I just thought this was a really cute crop top. It's actually long sleeves. This was $5 as well, so you know. Really cute, really fun, and inexpensive. The next thing I got was another shirt from Rue 21, and this one was like $7. And I was like, this is so cute. Like, it's like an oversized crop top, and I love the letters on there. Like, it's just really bold and it sticks out. Like, that's me. Like, it's simple but bold at the same time. This one's actually short sleeve, and the shirt looks really big. I got it in a large. I believe everything that I got is in a size large for the most part. Yeah, I thought this would be cute paired with some leggings, like some distressed leggings, some leggings with like holes or something in it, and like some cute little boots. I got this shirt from Forever 21. It's like another crop top, and I'm sitting here and I'm like, girl, where's you going with all these crop tops and no abs? But I'll find a way. Trust me, I will find a way to pull them off. And so yeah, I got this one. I got it because it was $3, and I needed a shirt to go with a pencil skirt that I got. Like, I was thinking I was gonna go with an orange shirt for the pencil skirt, but I found this one and I was like, this would be even better. So this is a long sleeve crop top, and it's really simple. I really did like the ruffles in the front. I thought that was really cute. $3 right here, Forever 21. And so let me just go ahead and show you the skirt that I plan on pairing it with. It's just like a little pencil skirt that I got from Ross, and this was like $6.99. And I feel like if I wear this high enough, even though I don't have any abs, if my stomach is looking flat enough, then with the crop top, it's gonna be cute. Like, that's what I see. And then like pairing it with like some nude heels or something like that, I think it would be really cute. But yeah, originally I was looking for like an orange top to go with this, but when I seen the green one, I was like, yeah, that will go with this skirt. Here's a really cute kimono that I got from Rue 21. And this was on sale for $9, and I picked it up because it's like a silk material. I'm not gonna say it's real silk, but it feels silky, and so it looks really pretty. It caught my eye with the bright color, with the bright red and the flower prints. I just thought that was so cute, so I had to pick this up. But it's not like super long, and it has like a slit on the side. So yeah, I would say it would probably come like right about to your thighs. But yeah, it also has like the little pockets right here. The next thing that I got was also from Forever 21. Now, y'all know like the suede, like it's been popping, like it's really been trending. And they had like a bunch of pieces that were this suede material. They had like some dresses, they had like some skirts, and I had picked up some pieces, and then when I found this, I had to put them back. I was like, this is just cute, like to just let this sit on the rack and not grab it. But everything else that I seen was kind of a little bit basic, so I was just like, this is just different. So basically it's like this long maxi dress, but of course you see the material, you see the color, you see it. This is what it looks like in the back, and then it's just like a regular little spaghetti strap in the front, and then it's long, you guys. Like, it's like a really, really long maxi dress, but it has a slit on the side. And so I was like, the color is popping, gotta get it for the color. Yeah, so I had to pick that up, and then of course I like the texture. Like, I feel like this is just gonna be so soft and it's gonna be so comfortable. I got this really cute jumpsuit. Like, I thought the tie-dye color was cute, and the fact that it's like tie-dye and it's like this really, it's like a bluish grayish kind of color, and I just thought it was cute. It's like a spaghetti strap at the top, and then you have your jumpsuit at the bottom, and then not only is it like a jumpsuit at the bottom, but on the sides, like, it has the slits. So I thought that was really, really cute as well, and I picked that up, and I believe this was on sale for $7. So that's not too bad for, you know, some cute little fun items. I also got these jeans from Rue 21. They were $7, and they are like hella distressed. It's like a skinny jean fit, and it is also high rise. And so I just thought these were really cute. So I picked these up, and I can't wait to wear these. I think it's gonna be really cute. I could even wear these with like that white crop top, you know, pull it off like that. Like, even if I have to put like a tank top under my crop top to pull it off, like, I could still do that and it would be cute. And then moving on to the next item. What is this? I don't even know what this is. Oh, this is a shirt that I also got from Rue 21. Basically, I picked it up because I like the detailing in the shirt, and it just stood out to me. And it's like in this red and this yellow, like, the colors were cute to me. And I believe this was like buy one get one half off. And I had a whole bunch of other clothes that I had got from Rue 21, but I already wore them. Like, this shirt is actually one Rue 21, but I already wore. And so I was like, I'm not about to go through the laundry to show y'all something if I already wore it. But needless to say, it was cute. This is also something that I got from Forever 21, and this was $5. And this is another suede dress, and I just thought it was oh so cute. This is how it is at the top. This little spaghetti strap thing, like, I don't know, it kind of scares me. Like, I don't know how it's gonna work because I've never worn a shirt or a dress like this with just this much to work with. Like, I don't know, but we're gonna figure it out, of course. And I feel like this would even be cute with that kimono that I showed you guys. Even the brown one would probably be cute with that kimono. But yeah, this one's shorter. It doesn't have any slits or anything like that. But again, I'm just in love with this fabric. Oh my gosh, it is so soft. So soft. This was just like a really cute plain top that I got from Rue 21. It was $3, so I was like, this would be cute, like, for filming like a simple makeup look or something like that, just to have on a nice clean shirt. So I got that. I did think the detail in the top was a little bit cute too, the reason I picked it up, but that's pretty much it. So I got this cute dress. Like, it's really cute and simple. It's like a hoodie dress. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It has like the distressing on it, if you can see. Like, it's torn here in these areas. It's torn at the bottom. It has like two little slits on the side, and then, you know, it's long sleeves, and it's a hoodie with a drawstring. I thought this would be a cute filming shirt as well. It's just a really cute orange tank top with the little rope detailing for the straps, and then it has this really cute little brown thing on the back of it for some detail. And that's how it would look in the bag. And I just thought this would be cute, like, just to pair with like some jeans or some shorts or whatever. And you can even cover it up with like a cover up or another kimono. I picked up this top from Rue 21. It was like one of the buy one get one, so I just picked it up. I did have some pants to go with it, but I ended up wearing another shirt with it, and it's one of the items that I've already worn. But yeah, this is just like a cute little plain top. It has detail in the front for your chest area. Then there's the detail on the sleeve, like the little open shoulder. And then yeah, that's pretty much that top. And then we had stopped in San Marcos on our way to Oklahoma, and we stopped at the Tommy Hilfiger outlet, and they had like a sale, so I picked up a few things from there. They had these crop jeans on sale for $9.99, and so you know I had to grab me a few pair. So I got these white ones, and basically it's not a lot of detail. You have your little Tommy sticker on the side, and then it's just white jeans, you know, and then it's the crop jeans, so it comes down like right above your ankles. And I usually like to wear my pants like that. If you ever notice, like if I have on leggings, like my ankles gotta be showing, because I feel like my ankles are sexy. And then I got this wash. I thought these were really cute, and I got them in a size 12. They fit really good. They fit really comfy. And then I also got a dark wash, but I've already worn those, so I don't have them to show. I got a few shirts like this, you know, the basic shirts. These are on sale for like, I want to say $7.99. I'm not sure, I can't remember. But I got this one, and then I got a red and blue one, and then that was it. They had these shoes on sale, so I went ahead and picked these up. I thought these were going to be really cute for the summertime. Like, a fresh pedicure and some gold sandals. Like, I think these are gonna be so cute. So I got these. The last thing that I got from Forever 21 was these little slide loafers. Like, I just thought these were so cute. Like, the detailing of these, they touched my heart. Like, oh my god, like it's like different colors, and it's like gold, and it's like sophisticated, and I was like, I need these. Like, and y'all are on sale for $9. Like, yeah, gotta have it, gotta grab it. And so I did. But yeah, I just thought these were really, really cute, and can't wait to wear them. Can't wait to wear them. And then the last few things that I'm about to show you, I got from, where did I get it from? I got it from this boutique on Instagram called Victoria's Boutique. I have another haul video that I've done that I'm gonna link, where I did like a bunch of dresses that I got from her. Like, her stuff is popping. Like, if you ain't bought from her, like, you probably sleeping. Like, you need to go to Victoria's Boutique and check out her stuff. Like, it's legit. Like, I love her stuff. But yeah, I got from her this really cute dress. It's like a button-up dress. Like, if a man were to give you his button-up shirt and you would wear it as a dress, that's basically what it is. And so I just thought the detailing was so pretty. And it almost looks like a Gucci shirt, but it's not Gucci, but we could pull it off as Gucci. And I just thought it was really, really cute. And yeah, I got this. This is what it looks like on the back. And it's pretty short. I mean, it's not like super, super short, but when you sit down, your thighs is gonna be a little bit exposed. But I wore this on my husband's birthday, and I was feeling like legit, like sexy. Couldn't tell me nothing. Yeah, I paired it with some thigh-high boots that were like a brownish taupe color, and it just came out like super cute. And then from her, like, I don't know, I've been wanting some faux leather leggings, and I finally got some from her. I can't remember how much the pricing was of this stuff, but I think for like 3 items I spent like $100. And so these are the leggings that I got. It's pretty basic. It's just like some black leggings. I have no idea what I'm gonna pair this with. So if you have any ideas or suggestions that I can wear with these black faux leather pants, please let me know down in the comment section. I would appreciate it. The last thing that I got was the dress that I was gonna wear on New Year's, but I was in my hometown and I just wasn't feeling it. I was like, it's too dressy, blah, blah, blah. So I ended up just wearing some sweatpants. But this is the dress though that I was gonna wear on New Year's. So I think I'm gonna have to pull this out for Valentine's Day or something like that. But yes, so this is her. She comes across your shoulders like this. Like, she goes down past the knees, like kind of like right on the middle of your calves. So yeah, I thought she was so cute. And like, it's like the red and gold on the front and the back, and it's like a really thick material, so it kind of hugs you, but in the right way. And when I seen her, because you know, when you're looking for that dress, you know, you're looking for the one that you feel like ain't nobody else gonna have. And when I seen her, I was right. I'm like, ain't nobody finna have this. But I was just like not in the mood to be this dressed up. Like, for what? Like, I went out for like an hour on New Year's and that was it. So I was like, I'm gonna save her for a special occasion. That was pretty much it, you guys. That was everything that was in my bag for my little shopping experience that I've been on recently. If you would like to see more videos like this, then go ahead and make sure you like this video. If you haven't already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Stop playing with your life, stop playing with my life. Tell your friends, your family, and also your enemies to come through and check your girl out. That's pretty much it, you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.